Once you've placed or geo-referenced your PDF, and it's a vector PDF, which again we know by the V and the icon over here under our Project Explorer, we can import that CAD data or the data from the PDF into our project. To do that, simply go to the CAD tab and select Import Vector PDF, or you can pick on the image to select it, right click, and from the shortcut menu select Import Vector PDF Data. It's going to open up the command pane, and in the command pane you can select the vector files that you want to import. You can also come down here and control whether you want the dash lines to be joined or not. Join dash lines preserve the raw data, and then join dash lines and discard the raw data. The layer extraction method is to preserve the native PDF layers or set the layer by style. So if I want to keep the PDF layers as they are intact, I can select that object or that radio button there. You can also include fill boundaries and include zero length lines if you wish. So I'm just going to click import, and it's going to process the vector PDF data or the PDFs that I have here and bring in the data from the PDF. Once it's done, it'll close the command pane, and you can now see that I have vector PDF data in my project. If I go to the View Filter Manager, you can see that I have a category for georeferenced images that I can turn off, and you'll see that I'm left with the PDF data. You'll notice, however, that it is all in 2D. The PDF files do not store the Z data, so you can see that it's a flat file or flat CAD data, but it is CAD line work, so I can select on that line, and again the lines were joined, and they were, instead of dash lines, I have the contour lines as a continuous line segment. So if you look at the properties of this, you'll see it's a CAD polyline, and you can set the elevation or change the elevation and use the elevating tools in Business Center to elevate it to its proper elevation if you need to.